Let's set up a column to calculate what we find in a load recovery situation. If there is oil, water, or any other type of fluid being pumped down the wellbore and we start to flow some of it back, we're going to need a column available to manage the fluid returns data. This is where the load recovery item comes into play. To enable it, you need to check the checkbox next to the load recovery in the meter configuration bar window. Once it is checked, load recovery becomes highlighted and the properties for the load recovery are displayed below in the properties window. There you will find settings to set the injected fluid types and the checkbox that enables negative load recovered. I'm going to select water as my load to recover as well as allow negatives. You'll probably notice the load recovery header with extra columns attached showed up in my field measurement table. Water injected allows you to put in initial and subsequent injected water values, while cum water injected calculates all water injections into the wellbore. The water remaining column and percent water recovered column are pretty straightforward. You can see that after I typed in 10 cubes of water in my example, the water remaining started to draw down a little. That is because the oil meter was showing a BS&W cut of 20% and then 50%. And since we have only checked off water in the injected fluid types, it is only calculating water. To get it to calculate oil as well, just check off the oil checkbox and add its injected volume into the oil injected column. The negative load to recover allows the software to display a negative value if the amount of fluid returns are more than the amount injected.